loves sleeping inside a bottle. Because when he was 5 days old, he sadly got pneumonia and his mother refused to nurse him, so the owner took him to the vet. But because he was so small, they could only give him 1 shot of antibiotics, and it seemed like nothing else could be done. However, his owner refused to give up and decided to take him home, then gave him oxygen every day, but a few days later, his tiny legs couldn't support him anymore. So the owner created a special oxygen chamber from a plastic bottle to support his body, and he loved it so much that he would crawl in it to sleep every day. Then once his condition got better, the owner removed his oxygen tube and made a special chest support. So after a few days of constant care, the little fighter finally took his first real steps and became stronger than ever. Now he never leaves the owner who saved his life. And if you find this cute, leave a like.